Is it easy to grow your TikTok channel in 2024? No, absolutely no. But I'm gonna show you how I did it. In this video, I walk you through why I started, the strategies I used, and some valuable lessons I learned along the way. Let's start. First off, why did I want to start a new TikTok channel? Because obviously I was curious like everybody else. I wanted to see the potential in the TikTok. I discovered the beta creator program, if you remember it, for TikTok, and then I said, okay Sabrina, let's start making money. I thought it was easy. Well, it was not. I'm kind of new in the whole social media world, and TikTok seemed a little bit easy for me, not like YouTube that I'm doing now. My first video. Never mind. I started my TikTok journey 7 months ago. Initially, I wanted to start speaking in Greek and make video in Greek language because it's my first language, obviously, and it made me feel like I could communicate better with my audience. You can see a little bit of an accent to my speaking skills. My TikTok channel is in Greek. I will put it somewhere here in the video, so if you want to follow me, if you're Greek, just follow me and see my journey. Looking back, I realize now that I kind of regret for not starting an English channel. It would be a lot easier and I would have a bigger audience, but 45k is okay, is all right? So how did I grow my TikTok channel? What are the secrets? Spill them right now, come on girl. For the first month, I was really consistent. And when I tell you that I was posting 5 to 6 videos per day, I'm not joking. Yeah, obviously, I know it sounds a lot, but this strategy is the strategy that helped me to gain 10,000 followers in the first month of doing TikTok. 5 to 6 videos per day. That's it. That's it. It doesn't matter how long the video will be. It's the editing of the video, only to be consistent. 5 to 6 videos per day. The content that I was primarily posting on my TikTok channel was funny sketches, some story times from my personal life, some story times from my life in England, some educational content. After the first month, I had gained already the 10,000 followers, so I started posting less frequently, like 3 videos per day, or maybe 1, sometimes 2. And I was really surprised when I saw that people started following me every day. Like I had around 100 and 200 people per day following me. And then I started earning some money. Yeah, let's talk about this beta creator program. I was really disappointed by it, and I'm still disappointed. Why? Well, I was only making around £100 per month, which is a little. For the work I put for my videos, it was nothing at all. Seriously, no joking. My RPM was around 0.02 cents. RPM means how much you get for each 1,000 views, and I was getting 0.02, and the maximum was 0.06. I can say that it was far less than I was expecting. Obviously, that kind of disappointed me and made me work less on my TikTok channel. I still have this TikTok channel. I'm still working on it. I'm still getting some money from it, but I'm posting maybe 1 video or maybe less. TikTok for me should be a business. And after 7 months, with Greek content, I couldn't do much. But don't get disappointed. Everything in life is a lesson, is an experience. From this particular experience, I've learned a lot of things. Many things. Like editing, like speaking to a camera, like feeling comfortable in front of a camera, social media strategies and all that. Lot of friends, mutual friends. If I would go back, I would start a TikTok channel in English, not in Greek, because Greek is a small market. The advertisers don't want to be advertised in front of a Greek audience. But what about in front of a British audience, of an American, Canadian audience? I can say I'm grateful I started the journey of growing my channel to 45k, because now I'm starting this YouTube channel that you're seeing now. Hopefully is gonna get a lot better. Thanks a lot for watching. This will be the first video that I will be uploading in this channel. Please subscribe so you can help me with the algorithm. If you have any question, please tell me in the comments below and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. And until next time, stay rebel and hustle a lot like me. Bye.